Hi everybody. Workers of various professions work daily on the production of products, repair and maintenance of facilities. With the help of equipment and tools, this can be done faster, more effectively, and with minimal human effort. A hydraulic riveter can join together pieces of metal using hydraulic force to propel connecting rivets. Cement mortar plastering machine gets the work done by doing vertical movements back and forth. This is a homemade invention that drives a hammer with an electric drill. Instead of using molds, this machine shrinks, alienates and curls edges all at once. Pipe renovation using urge-lit dry mortar is an urban developer's high-quality alternative. How you can easily and quickly make a drywall cutter from a tin can yourself. Ballast is a stone of volcanic origin, used to transmit the weight load on train tracks. Attaching PVC pipe to fittings with PVC cement is not gluing them together, it is, in fact, welding them together. This is a desktop mini-disc sharpener for an electric drill that can be used to sharpen metal objects such as knives or scissors. Just like a wire brush, this accessory comes with a block and a set of durable wire bristles that will make quick work of stripping away paint and rust from a wide variety of surfaces. This machine shapes copper into coils, applying continuous pressure to each turn of the thread. Copper was the first metal manipulated by humans, and it remains an important metal in industry. Welding is a fabrication process whereby two or more parts are fused. special nozzle for a cordless screwdriver with which a person cleans the chimney in a hard-to-reach place. This is an aggressive agent that contains acid. The drug disinfects, kills harmful bacteria on the metal, and quickly corrodes rust. A wooden trunk is placed in between this semi-automatic rotationary machine to create thin wood slabs. A sharpened blade smoothly cuts the trunk surface, transported by an automatic conveyor belt. Air compressor assembly process after overhaul. Machine for the production of animal feed. Combined feed is a mixture of grain raw materials, products with a high content of protein, vitamins and trace elements for animal nutrition. Polyurethane glue is one of the strongest and most durable types of wood glue for wood. Steam car cleaning is much more effective than high-pressure water washing. Safer Paver is a tool that helps lift pavers or blocks in no time at all.